Tired of using harsh chemicals for everyday cleaning? Embrace the power of white vinegar. This week's Tuesday Tips is all about transforming your cleaning routine with this wonder ingredient. Let's get sparkling naturally. Struggling with streaky windows and mirrors? Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it on, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and voila! Streak-free shine without the harsh chemicals. Stubborn spots? Let the vinegar work its magic for a few minutes before wiping. Limescale affecting your morning brew? Equal parts vinegar and water, boil or brew, then let it sit. Rinse thoroughly, and your kettle or coffee maker will be as good as new. Say goodbye to limescale and hello to a fresh-tasting coffee or tea. Want softer clothes without chemical softeners? Half a cup of white vinegar in your rinse cycle is all you need. It softens fabrics and clears out soap residue, leaving clothes soft and fresh-smelling. There you have it. 3 amazing ways to use white vinegar in your cleaning routine. Simple, effective, and eco-friendly. If you love these natural solutions, hit the like button and subscribe for more Tuesday tips from Quidos Cleaning Services. Don't forget to share this video to spread the eco-friendly cleaning love.